Imagine standing in a cozy kitchen, surrounded by the comforting sense of home as you embark on a culinary adventure. The recipe you're about to explore calls for simple yet essential ingredients like crunchy biscuits, rich butter, and creamy milk, harmonized together with a touch of sugar and cornstarch. These key elements don't just blend together, they play a vital role in creating the perfect texture, ensuring that each bite is not only satisfying but also delightful. Now, as you mix these delectable ingredients, you find that patience becomes your ally. Chilling the mixture for 30 minutes in the fridge is not merely a suggestion, it's a crucial step that allows the flavors to meld beautifully. During this time, the dessert begins to take shape, enhancing its taste and ensuring it sets perfectly. This quiet interlude provides the opportunity for anticipation to build as you envision the sweet creation that awaits. As the time finally comes to unveil your masterpiece, you can't help but feel excitement. Decorating with elegant white chocolate transforms your dessert into a visual delight, an artful presentation that draws the eye. This charming finish not only elevates the look of your creation, but also introduces an enticing additional layer of flavor. In that moment, you realize that cooking is not just about ingredients, it's about crafting a sensory experience that delights both the palate and the heart.